Hi guys, you're once again welcome to the Ryde channel. You know, on the Ryde channel, it's all about cars and motorcycles and all the people around these devices. And today I have something really special for you. I've been planning and working at this for a long time, and today I am able to bring you this special episode of People and Rides. You know, on these series of People and Rides, we go out to talk to people who have cars and motorcycles that they really love, so that we can tell you all the sweet stories and their sweet rides. And today I have something really special in that regard. But before I go on to tell you about this person and their ride, I just want to tell you, most of you watching our videos are not subscribed. Okay, now if you subscribe, it helps us to bring you bigger, better content. So just quickly, just pause the video, make sure you are subscribed, turn your notification on and share it with some of your friends. Then come back and let's continue. Now, this guy is crazy about this car. Okay, so I just can't contain myself. I want us to go quickly and just go talk to him, and he's going to give us all the 411s about his car, so that we can also be motivated to get into this particular car culture, car hobby and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Hey.
Hussein, my man.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. It's great to have you on the Ryde channel. On the Ryde channel, it's all about cars and motorcycles.
About beasts.
Yes, about beasts. And so I'm really excited. I mean, we've been chatting about doing this for a while,
yes,
and today we get to do it. Okay, so just tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Hussein. The car of my name is Black Bullet.
Black Bullet.
That's also what you'll find on my Instagram. I think you already seen me there.
Yeah.
I'm working. I'm already working with the company here in Ghana. We do the Lily
rice, Lily range of food products.
Yes.
Wonderful.
But for off-road, it's always been my hobby.
So when it comes to cars and motorcycles, you meet the most wonderful, kind-hearted, loving people. I must tell you, with Black Bullet and all the folks at Ghana Off-Road, Charlie, they are wonderful guys. I will say yes. So with Lily, you are into food product, and I think that the Ghanaian market is working very well because a lot of people talk about Lily products. I mean, in my house, one of the brands of rice that we consume in my house is Lily. So I think you are doing a very, very good job. Yes. Now we are here today to talk about your special ride, but before we talk about this special ride, tell us a little bit about some of the other cars that you've had in the past. Yes.
See, I used to have the LC200 before.
That's a Land Cruiser.
The Land Cruiser.
Okay.
And then,
was it a V8 or a V6?
No, it was the V6 straight.
Okay.
And then from there I moved to, I used the BMW
X5
like 2 months.
Okay.
And then I came to this car.
Oh, okay.
So this car, you know, I studied at UG, University of Ghana here.
Oh, okay.
So this car, maybe lots of people might remember it from there.
Oh,
somebody is from there. I used to go to the basketball court, I just drift around it and then leave.
You run away.
Run away. So that's how it got known there a lot.
Oh, okay.
So they used to know that when they see me, this guy is here now. He's going to drift, do some dust. And
leave.
But then I've been using this car since 2010.
2010.
Yes.
That's 12 years.
Yes. I got some other cars, but it's been my daily car up to around 2018, 19.
Okay.
Before I started, like after some time, I said, okay, now it's time for it to move on the side. Like end of 19, beginning of 20s, I started doing the work on it.
Okay.
I made it only for off-roading.
Okay.
And then I got some other cars, and also I have another one for off-roading.
Okay.
That one is an LJ70.
That's
the Land Cruiser, you know the...
Yeah, the J70.
Yeah, the J70.
Okay.
Yes, so...
That's a solid car.
That's a solid car. Also, that one I bought it and then I made it for off-roading. Everybody wants to try the cars, huh?
All right. Yes. So, so Black Bullet, I mean, from your GUG days, drifting around the basketball court till today, you've done so much to this car. Can you tell us some of the mods you've done to this car?
You know, as you can see, it's the lift kit.
You put a lift kit on it.
Like
how many inch? 3-inch lift kit?
3-inch lift
kit.
And also I added the body lift kit.
Okay.
So today this is 3-inch, and then I had the body lift kit.
Okay, to lift the body itself.
Yeah, so to lift the body itself.
Good.
You know, okay, the rims, you change your rims. I changed the...
So these are bead locked?
Yes.
These are bead locked, proper bead locks?
Yes, proper.
Good. 35-inch bead locked wheels.
We have I changed the suspensions. I'm using the one for Tacoma, the V8 5.7 Tacoma suspensions. I'm using here.
Okay.
So we did it to be here. You see, as I said, this is the body lift. We added here a little bit. You know, we put a lot of makeup, you know, accessories. Like some lights,
the
some bumpers and this. I removed this side because I wanted it to look like more rigid, more higher.
Okay.
These ones are made here. I removed
These are hard.
the plastic ones and I put this one because the plastic ones is just...
You break off.
I have a wooden box in the boot, you know, to
carry stuff when you're coming off-road.
Because when you're off-roading, if you leave something at the boot, there is danger that it might fly and then it comes and hit
somebody.
So it's better you put it in a drawer or something. Always you have to make sure to stay safe as much as possible.
Wonderful.
You know, and then this is basic, you know, this is the basics.
This is the basic? Wow!
Yeah, you know, that's the basic things you do on it. Because here in Ghana, for us to get all the things we need, it's very hard.
Yeah.
You have to ship it from abroad.
Yeah.
And sometimes getting something from abroad, it will cost you like 3 times.
A lot of time, the cost of the item itself.
And item itself. You see, like this is just like a ladder. This is something we made here. I made this one here because once we got stuck in a very muddy place and we didn't have something to put for grounding. We used to use stones and wood. So now I made something and I kept it. So we always have our own thing. And
so you have to, you know, improvise and do your own stuff. Wonderful.
So we see something online and they say, okay, let's
make our own.
Yes.
Wonderful.
I'm telling you.
Good. So the next question I'll ask you is that what other mods do you want to do to Black Bullet?
What I want to do is I want to work on the differentials itself.
Okay.
So to make something bigger, so that it will be easier for it to move in the mud. and it will relax on the engine.
On the engine.
So
that the
I'm
revs
working-
can come down. So probably
Yes.
you're going to change the ratios in the differential.
Yes,
Good.
but that one again to find here the
The
ratio,
parts.
the parts is giving me an issue. I
So are you going to order a complete axle, maybe a Dana 40 or something like that?
Maybe not the complete axle, maybe just
The
differential
gear
part.
sets inside.
Yes, where somebody like already fix it and then just bring it and then
Put it inside.
put it inside. Yes,
Wonderful.
because that's the next one. But again, to find someone to ship and this and
That's
the
a
cost
whole
of
different
it.
conversation.
Yes, that's one.
How many lockers do you have on this car?
How many?
The lockers on the to lock the axles.
I think it's the
That
standard
front,
one. Yeah, it's the
but in the
front
middle.
and back and the middle. Yes.
Perfect,
So,
perfect, wonderful. Right, guys,
We
this
didn't
is
change much on the lockers, you know, because it's already made for 4x4.
serious off-road. I mean, the FJ has been out of production for most parts of the world, but now its popularity is just shooting through the roof.
Yes.
If you want even a used one of this car, my goodness, you have to be prepared to spend over $60,000
Yes,
before
yes.
you can get a used one of this car. You know,
not easy to get some.
It's becoming a modern day classic. Wonderful. Hussein, yes. So you've mentioned the things you want to do to this car, but let me ask this question. If you have all the money in the world, okay, you have all the connections to get any car that you want to, what 3 cars or motorcycles will I see in your garage?
FJ.
You know, this is a proper petrol head.
See.
Very, very much, you know.
If today, I will always say it, if today somebody will come to me and say, look, this is a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or any type of car. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, even if it's like a Bugatti, maybe you think this guy is crazy. Yeah, it's nice. You can speed, you can go, blah, blah, blah. And then on the other side, they will tell me, look, we're gonna give you a fully loaded FJ, like a serious one, like with the tent, with the kitchen, like
Overlanded,
everything.
full.
Yeah, full overlanded FJ. I'll take that one.
Okay.
No matter what. And I know it will be the same value because whatever they're going to put here, this one you're getting it in a simple car, but here you're getting an FJ. I'll go for FJ.
Wonderful.
So
Wonderful.
I'm a fan of Toyota.
Okay.
So any car I bring, it's a Toyota. Yeah. So but here Toyota Ghana should.
Yeah,
a little bit
they have to come and see you.
You have to come and see the club. This.
I'm sure, I mean, you are a car guy. What has been your worst car moment? Your worst car moment, you were driving and something happened and it was very, very bad. What's been your worst car moment?
Wow. You know, with the off-road, there's always accidents happening. It didn't happen with me. It happened with my other car.
Okay.
It was driven by Makram. He was trying to go on just a small one, but because of the mud, and then he was so insisting on going, then you have to see the car flipping on its side.
Oh.
Yeah, but that one, you know, it's not scary, like in a matter of scary, but you really like, you're worried what is happening, what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
But always you find a way. Like with this car, I've tried so many things. I went to so many places. Some places, nothing happened, no accident happened, but it was really scary. Yes, because at some point when we are going into the water, a water pond, you don't know how deep is it, so you're just trying to cross it. Another time, I went into a pond, and then we opened the front. It got stuck, so I was opening to get the winch from the front.
Yeah.
And then we noticed it was broken.
Wow.
Then you had to pull the cable, cut it somehow before we can tie it in the back and then pull it back.
Car out.
So sometimes you get to places where you don't have anything. But you just have to go. You know?
No, but you guys are very experienced. I mean, you guys in the Ghana off-road club, you are very, very experienced. So I know you always find a way. I've been following you on social and always watching your wonderful videos and all the crazy things. I mean, today I've experienced so much. I mean, guys, just go to Ghana off-road and look at what these guys can put these cars through. But they love these cars, but they also love to beat on them. Then after they go clean them, then they service them and take very, very wonderful, good care of these cars. So they are not just beating on the cars, but they also take very good care of the cars. Wonderful time. So what has been your best car experience?
With this car, or you mean like in general?
With this car in general, with any other car?
The cars I drove are not much because, like, you know,
you are more into off-road.
I'm more into off-road, but being on road, and having a nice car also is good. As I said, I'm a Toyota guy. Today I might drive an X5, I might drive, it's nice, you know, the speed, but there's nothing like a Toyota.
Okay.
I'm having now the LC300. That one, it's crazy. On road, even that same car, I got it here to the off-road, and then like it was moving like there is nothing.
Yeah. Without any mold, it was perfect.
Without any mold, it was just like, you know, moving.
Taking everything easy.
Taking everything easy, no issues. So as I said, a Toyota, it's always like it for a guy who likes Toyota. It's always a Toyota.
Toyota is
Whatever
very reliable.
Experience. I have friends with different cars, Golf, GTI, all this. Like you know, I've tried all of this, but for me, the Toyota experience is different.
It's different. Wonderful, wonderful.
Something else.
Black Bullet, it's been great having you on the Ryde channel.
Yeah, welcome.
And yeah, I believe that very soon we'll do some other things, you know, more off-road. I mean, we are thinking about putting together some rally cross and other activities. You have this wonderful area. Look at the scenery, you know, every Saturday we are here. We gather some chairs, some barbecue, you know, some drinks, some friends, a lot of car action. It's wonderful. Thank you so much for hosting us here at your off-road course, and also driving me around in your wonderful, powerful, crazy Toyota FJ, aka Black Bullet. Yeah, go and follow Black Bullet on IG, on Facebook, and all the other different socials, and you will see all the different things that Hussein is putting this car through. And I must tell you, very, very wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me on the Ryde channel. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye for now. I just want to mention that today I've been supported by Isalinkup. Isalinkup has been helping me to shoot, and that is also another YouTube channel that, you know, goes into automotive events and trips and all the wonderful things. He shared a video recently of all the things they went to do in Togo. I couldn't go. It was a wonderful trip. So make sure you go watch that video, and make sure you give him a like and a subscription as well. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.